Welcome to Bite with Tea. I'm Piper.
And I'm Noah.
And today we're going to be making beach day pudding. Today we have a lot of ingredients. We have graham crackers, candy, Teddy Grahams, food coloring, instant pudding, and milk.
Here's the tools you need: a plate, a bowl, and a whisk.
The first thing you're going to do is take your pudding mix and dump it into the bowl. I can never get out of the bowl. The second thing we need to do is dump 3 cups of milk into the bowl.
We're gonna add some blue food coloring to make it look like water.
So Noah, now that we got it all mixed up, I'm gonna pour it into there while you scrape it.
Okay.
Kind of like
It's covering the whole thing.
covering the whole thing. Uh-oh. There's gonna be no sun, now it's just water.
I'm gonna smash up our graham crackers to make some sand. This is hard.
Let me do it.
Dude, you're gonna burn this baby. Does that hurt?
No. Now we're gonna add our sand on this side for the beach.
Just the way we can do it more quicker.
But don't put too much in too many places.
Now we're gonna put on some decorations.
I'm gonna make some waves.
I'm gonna put a diagram. Guys, I want to let you know I'm adding a little bear out at sea.
The waves are going up. Like
Add a little beach towel. And here, Teddy Graham.
there we go, some waves. I'm gonna put this on top of the other one. Put some bears on the towel.
I have a good idea. What if we do this? Yeah. I'm pretending he's surfing. See? With just like floating. I was hungry.
surf up. That's a lot of towels. We should make some bears playing in the sand. Not too many towels.
Well, I'm gonna make a lifeguard laying on a towel, okay? Okay?
I'm making 2 bears playing in the sand.
It's gonna be the lifeguard. It's gonna be this by him.
They're playing in the sand.
Oh my goodness, look. It's like that's a big fish. See?
For today's snack, hope you had fun.
Now, if you like Vibrant Kids, keep watching more videos. But if you love it, subscribe and give a double thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye.